Hi, for those who have signed up for Chrysalis, we start on Tuesday the 23rd. For those who haven't, sign up now. You're going to have an amazing, amazing experience. The first workshop is going to be about identity. We're going to see the identity that we have left behind entirely, the one of our adolescence, perhaps, the one that we had when we were much younger, perhaps even a quarter of a century behind, and that is something that doesn't any longer, it's been totally transmuted and has become who we are now. Then we're going to look at the identity of today, and we will see which parts. So we will unload this. It's like an uncluttering of our subconscious mind. Then we will be looking into the identity of today, and we will see what doesn't serve us anymore, what doesn't serve. What are the mistakes? For example, you may pinpoint that you are, for example, a people's pleaser, and that's your main problem. If you didn't have that need, that deep desire to be loved, you would you would be embodying your purpose and your plan in a much faster, more direct, and more successful way. So we're going to be seeing this. We will discover how to get there, and then we will purify with powerful energy techniques and visualize in very deep, profound, and powerful visualizations. We're going to see the life that we want. And once you see the life that you want, you will see how to get there. And because everything else, you will see what doesn't work immediately. All your plans will be deleted. It has happened to me. It was incredible because I had a plan, and my means of getting there to the plan wasn't working. Thank God, because I was safe from making a huge mistake. Then suddenly, when I truly was able to open my heart and my mind and to remove all inner obstacles and low self-esteem and self-limiting beliefs, and to see what the life that I really want, then immediately all these plans that were not as big, it's not about size, it's about, it's like buying a small dress that doesn't fit you, it's too tight and it's not comfortable. It keeps you not well dressed. You know what I mean? It keeps you there. So you're not going to do that, right? So why put yourself in a prison? Again, if you're in a prison, you want to escape, you don't put yourself in another prison. You really have to visualize the life that you desire. Once you see that, and everything, that is not according to that life falls apart, then the path is clear and you can see what you need to do. It takes courage to do it, to take the first step, but it's the only way. There's no other way. Every other way leads to failure. It's amazing. It's beautiful. It's life. We're eternal. We're the soul. We have to take some risks, and it's the only way. There's no other way. There's no other way to succeed but to follow our heart's desires. There's no other way to be happy. And we have a long life ahead of us. Even if you're 60 or 65, you may have another 30 years or more, right? So these are many, many years. Do you want to be shrinking or do you want to be expanding? Now, if you want to expand, this is the program for you. If you don't like the payment plan, you want a longer payment plan, contact me and I will give you a longer payment plan. Just do it. It's going to be amazing. It starts on Tuesday, the 23rd at 8:30 p.m. Central European Time, but I will send recordings straight after, so you can, it's going to be the same. You will have a lot of writing, you will have a one-on-one per month. It's a 3-month program. It's a weekly workshop, 3-month program. And every week I will send you an audio to maintain the vibration according to what we have done during the week. And it's going to be super powerful because I've really eliminated everything that is superficial and that is going to, take from the essence. Yes, we're going to do a bit of arithmosophy to see, where we are, because in arithmosophy, for example, you may see the problem. For example, your problem may be that you're a people's pleaser, right? And that's your main obstacle. You really want to eliminate that. And you have to make the firm decision to eliminate that. in you, in your identity. So this you can see in arithmosophy. You go straight to the point. But perhaps you already know yourself. We're going to go deeply and see everything, but have the aid of the labors of Hercules, of a little bit of esoteric astrology, of arithmosophy, but mainly it's going to be powerful healing, energy healing techniques. And awareness, awareness, awareness through writing, writing, writing. You will write a lot. You will go deeply on everything. Everything will be, we will go deeply into healing the inner child, identity, everything. We will go very, very deep. And we will come back to it after we have, completed the cycle. Then we come back. It's like a fugue, we come back and we do the synthesis, and by the middle of the workshop, we are transformed, perhaps by the beginning as well. Depends on how open you are, how courageous you are. So if you want, join. It's called Chrysalis. It's a wonderful, wonderful distillation of everything that I know and that I've done until now. Of course, otherwise, why do something less? So join me. The link is below. Take care. See you there.